Traveling is more than just visiting new places. It's a profound journey towards self-discovery and understanding. As you step into the vibrant colors and sounds of a new destination, immerse yourself in the local culture and traditions. Engage with the surroundings, listen to the stories of the people, and allow these experiences to reshape your perspective on life. Travel with intention, not just to escape your routine, but to seek meaning and connection before embarking on your journey. Set clear intentions. Reflect on what you hope to gain from your travels. Is it an understanding of different cultures, a quest for personal growth, or perhaps a commitment to sustainability? When you travel with purpose, every decision becomes more meaningful, guiding you toward experiences that resonate deeply with your soul. Attending local festivals, volunteering for community projects, or even attending workshops can enrich your experience and provide a genuine connection to the place you are exploring. As you navigate through breathtaking landscapes and dynamic cities, stay open to unexpected moments that challenge your viewpoints. These encounters often provide the most profound insights. Whether you find joy in a spontaneous conversation with a stranger or a moment of quiet reflection in nature, these instances hold valuable lessons. Document these experiences in a travel journal or through photography. Capturing the essence of these moments, revisiting them later can remind you of the growth and understanding fostered during your travels. Finding meaning in your adventures doesn't stop at exploration. It extends to the way you give back to the communities you visit. Embrace sustainable tourism practices. Support local businesses and respect cultural nuances. When you contribute positively to your surroundings, you cultivate a deeper appreciation of the beauty and diversity of our world. As your journey comes to an end, reflect on the growth you've experienced, or ask yourself how these adventures have molded your beliefs and values. In conclusion, traveling with purpose transforms the act of exploration into a life-altering experience. By prioritizing intention and connection, each adventure will resonate long after you return home. Your newfound understanding and memories will serve as a beacon, inspiring others to travel mindfully and discover the richness that life offers when viewed through a lens of purpose. Embrace the journey and let it lead you to profound realization. Happy traveling.